Home Remedies presents how to make morning drink that cures body stones, mental stress and obesity. Today I will be sharing with you a 3-in-1 morning drink recipe that will help you get rid of body stones, mental stress and obesity. This morning drink is enriched with health properties. It will taste a little bitter but is very healthy and promising. If we see nowadays, every person is suffering from some disease, minor or major. Diseases can be the result of many factors like unhealthy lifestyle, wrong food, genetic disturbances, and many more. Let's see how to make this healthy drink. Ingredients: 1 medium-sized bitter melon, seedless, a handful of coriander leaves, curry leaves 5 to 10, raw potato 1 small, ginger root 1 inch, lemon half slice, cinnamon powder 1 pinch, black peppercorns 4 to 6, mint leaves 5 to 8, cucumber half, water 150 ml, garlic cloves 1 to 2. How to prepare: grind all the ingredients in a blender and make a smoothie. Strain the mixture. It will produce half to quarter glass of drink. Add some black salt as per your taste and drink it on an empty stomach. Dosage: once a day on empty stomach. After having it, you will not feel hungry for about 3 to 5 hours. It is like a mini meal and the best thing for health. How does this good morning drink works? This drink contains the extract of lots of natural herbs and ingredients. All are rich in health properties and are beneficial to control the diseases like thyroid disorders, hypertension, diabetes, body stones such as kidneys and gallbladder, hair fall, pigmentation, mental stress, obesity, etc. It is free from side effects. Isn't it a miracle drink? What will you name this drink? Let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.